I have wanted to be a doctor for as long as I can remember. Most of my family lives on the Yurok reservation. I'm a member of the Yurok tribe. And my great-grandma told my mom when she chose to leave the reservation to go out into the world, learn how to do what everybody else is doing, and come back and teach us what's important. Come back and help your people. She spent most of her time just getting us raised and educated, and because my mom wasn't able to do that, she instead instilled in me this intense passion and desire to do that. And I've had this drive since I was really young. Medicine has been this very clear calling for me. I feel really blessed to have that goal because it's been so consistent in my life. I've always known, this is the thing at the end that I'm working towards. It's really important that medicine continue to expand its inclusion of diverse communities and diverse perspectives because traditionally we have left them out. And so the more that we include them, the more we're able to help and to serve everyone. It's going to result in people going out into those communities with more confidence and providing better care.